Imagine you have got a new remote control car for you, and you are controlling it with fun, and suddenly that car collapsed into the table. How sad it would be. After that, won't you be wanting a car that could avoid obstacles like this? Well, today I have made something like this only. To know more about this, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So today I have made one obstacle avoiding car. For this project, I have used the Arduino Mega, one ultrasonic sensor, one servo motor, and the L29 3D motor driver to control the motors of the car. Now I'm going to tell you how my project will work. First, the car will move forward and then it will stop and check whether there is any obstacle in right or left. If there wouldn't be any obstacle, then the car will continue to move forward. And if there will be any obstacle, the car will stop and change its direction and move in that direction. So now let's see the real-time working of this obstacle avoiding car. So I hope you have liked my this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And we'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.